Hello, worship team. We have a new app that we're going to use for our in-ear monitors, and it's called Wing-Q. It's going to look a little bit different than the old app, but hopefully it'll work better. First, download it from the App Store or the Google Play Store. The good news is it works for Android too, as far as I know. Once you open the app, select the console called Worship Center Wing Rack or WC Wing Rack. You'll have to be connected to the private Wi-Fi for this to show up. You likely are if you were using the old one. Then you're going to want to change the settings on the app to make the interface more usable. So start by changing the number of faders from 12 to 8. And then the second option we want you to uncheck is the pre/pan option, and that'll just give you more real estate to work with. You can also change your fader sensitivity from 1 to 0.5 or 0.6, and that will give you more resolution when you're moving your faders up and down on the screen. At the top right of the app, you'll see your bus icon. It's labeled with the pack label and the bus number underneath. So in this case, it says Vox1 B1. That's Vox1 Bus 1. When you click on that, it shows you all of the other buses and aka all of the other packs that are available to be mixed. So I'm going to select bass. Now that I've selected bass, I'm going to click on the mix button, which is in the top left corner. And here you can see all the different instruments like the other app was displaying, but you also get numbers on your faders now. The faders range from negative infinity, which would be no volume, to positive 10. Unity gain is 0. And so all unity gain means is the signal that's coming in equals the signal that's going out. So if you had something at 0, it's coming in at the same level as it's going out at the same level as it's coming in. And then anything below 0, so like negative 10, negative 12, that's just attenuating that signal down. And then anything above 0 would be adding gain to it or making it louder. So you can have things above 0. It's not like a rule that you have to hold on to, but the more things you have above 0, the more likely your bus is to start clipping. A quick note on the human ear and the decibel. 10 dB is a doubling. So if you want something twice as loud, turn it up 10 dB. And if you want something half as loud as it was before, then turn it down 10 dB. You're going to want to make sure that any channel you want to listen to, the on button is turned on. And if you don't want to listen to any of the channels, you can just turn that channel off. If you want to familiarize yourself with the app, feel free to select offline mode when you first open it. And there you can play around with all the settings and tune it to how you would like to use it. Okay, that concludes the tutorial. If you have any questions, just ask during rehearsal.